Welcome to my kitchen. Well, today, pasta, the linguine piccole. So, this is kind of like my original method of making the pasta, because a few days ago I just made marinated oyster. So oyster and airing mushroom and grilled long leek, chili pepper and garlic and bay leaf, and this is Japanese strong yuzu peel with flavor. So just soaking about 2-3 days. So I'm gonna use to make a pasta. And this basic, my favorite, tomio pea sprouts. It's a good item. I recommend it. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to make it. So I use this olive oil and then garlic. Just pick it up. Olive oil. So it's a 5 gram. I'm gonna use today. Then turn on the switch. Boiling water. In the pickle. Marinated oyster. Just waiting for boil up pasta. Okay, switch, high flame. Tomio pea sprouts. Pasta, how al dente. Good timing. A little bit boiling down. Boiling down. Okay. So let me check a little bit. Good balance. Just a little bit. Nutmeg. So this meaning is I need more rich taste using nutmeg. Okay, taste again. Perfect. Done. So it's a hot plate. Heating up hot plate. Pasta. Let's start to eat. This is my original method. Marinated oyster, linguine, piccole, piano. いただきます。オイスター。Good taste. Linguine piccole. Good matching with tomio, pea sprouts, with pasta, nice green, good flavor and good texture. Yeah, so delicious. Thank you for watching my channel. See you again another time in my kitchen. Thank you. Have a good pasta. Bye.